Alright guys, so I found this image animation on the internet, so I said no, I have to teach my fans how to do this. You get it? Don't you like it? So if you want to know, just stay tuned. Let's dive in. Now download any image on the internet, or you can use your own image. Then you head over to Capcut. You get my point? Alright, now click on the plus icon, new project. Now bring the image you just downloaded, or your personal image, just bring it to Capcut. You understand? So now this is the image I want to use, Mr. Beast image, as this is what I saw on the internet. So you will tap on the layer, then drag it, just drag it either 20 seconds or anyhow you want it to be. So when you are done with that one, the next thing for you to do from here, guys, please pay attention. I just want you to understand what I'm doing. So you go to mask, click on mirror, see mirror here. When you tap on mirror, this is how it's going to be, understand? So here you can place two fingers on your screen and you can adjust it anyhow you want it. If you want to expand it, if you want it to make it small, now you use your two fingers to do that, understand? So when you are done, when you have a particular size you want it to be, then you are good to go. Now let's go to the next level. So guys, the major tool here is the keyframe. So let me bring it down to where I want my own to start. So you can start your own from anywhere. Now at the beginning of the video you add keyframe. Now after adding keyframe, you move the image a bit. Now it's becoming a video. You get my point? You move it a bit, you move the image a bit. Now you move the mask icon to the direction you want it to be. You understand what I'm saying? So you do like that till you reach the top. Now let me say it again. You add keyframe, you move the video a bit. It's an image, but it's now a video. You move it a bit. Now you adjust the mask icon. Once you touch the mask icon, you shift it from where it was. The keyframe will be added automatically. I don't know if you understand. You get my point? So I believe you get my point. So when it gets to the top, so now you can use two fingers also to turn it to one angle, so that it can start revealing from one angle. I don't know if you understand me, if you get my point. So this, the same thing you did at first, that's the same thing you have to continue, adding keyframe and then moving the video a bit and then shifting the mask icon for the keyframe to be added. So that is just it for that one. So before I show you how to add the effect, so guys, please, if this is your first time of coming across my video, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like and share, comment. Understand? This particular channel is meant for tutorial, so I'm gonna teach you everything. You get my point? So if you have any issue, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to assist you 100%. Alright, so tap on this navigation button here. Now you see effects. Click on effect. Now click on video effect. So the one I use is this distortion, this one here. So you add it. Now you see it's very short, so what you do here is you click on duplicate. So now tap on it, then bring it and make sure it joins with the first one, with the first effect, so that it will continue. I don't know if you get my points. So something like this. You can make it 3 depending on how long your video is, or yes, it's your video, depending on how long your video is. So you can make it 3, you can make it 4. So mine, I added like 20 seconds. I made it 20 seconds, so I'll just do it on the duration I think it should be. You get my point? So after this one, there's another effect I did when towards the ending part of the video, from here like this. So I click on video effect again. So now let's go and look for nature. Where is nature? Let's go. Guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so you won't miss out. See nature here. Tap on nature. Where is that? Tap on nature. So now let's go down to shatter. So click on shatter. So look at it here. That's the effect you see at the end of this video. You see shatter effect there. So you can adjust it to what you see on your screen. So when after doing that one, I didn't have much again to do, so I have to tap on the first layer, click on split, then delete it. Delete the shade, bro. So now you can save the video to your gallery. Wait. So if you're a complete beginner and you want to learn how to edit videos, understand, my phone number is in the description of this video, so you can chat me up on WhatsApp. But take note, please, it is not free. You get my point? So just chat me up on WhatsApp. So you can now save this video to your gallery. So see you in our next video.